Can't get it. Have y'all struggled with the same wrenches that come with the vehicle that you got? You can throw this away. I've got something better. Get yourself an impact wrench from Averett. Comes with your impact wrench, and it's got a bag with different size sockets. Also comes with drill bits and little screwdriver connectors as well, so you can use it for that. Let's check it out. There you go. Quick and easy. No more straining yourself on those wrenches that come with the vehicle. Just like it came off. Go back on. That easy. Pick up yourself one today by clicking on that orange shopping cart below.